A bearing is an angle that is measured clockwise from the north direction, and it is usually written in 3 figures. So let's take a look at the figure on the right. So I have 2 points A and B. Now at point A, I have the north direction, or the north sign, and it's drawn, and I have an angle which is 72 degrees. So from the north sign, I move in a clockwise direction until I meet the line connecting the 2 points A and B. And now I can say that the bearing of B from A is equal to 72 degrees, and as I said, it is usually written in 3 figures. So I write it as 072, not 72. So let's do an example, and it says the bearing of a ship from a lighthouse is 50 degrees. Find the bearing of the lighthouse from the ship. So I have 2 items. So I have a ship and a lighthouse. So the lighthouse is this point, which is L, and from or at L, which is the lighthouse, I draw the north sign. So this is the north sign, and I move in a clockwise direction to make an angle equal to 50 degrees. Now this is the 90 degree, so I move in a clockwise direction until I meet this line. So this is equal to 50 degrees, and this is the ship S. Now, so this is the lighthouse, and this is the north sign. So from the north sign, I move in a clockwise direction until I meet the line connecting the lighthouse and the ship, and the angle is 50. Now I want to find the bearing of the lighthouse from the ship. So at S, I draw a north sign, and as I said, the bearing is usually measured from S, or at S, in a clockwise direction. So from the north sign, I have to move around until I meet the line connecting L and S, and this is the bearing that I need to find. Now how can I find this bearing? Now since I have 2 north signs like that, and north signs are usually parallel, so if this is 50, then this is a supplementary angle, and it is equal to 130. So 130 and 50 is equal to 180. Now how can I find the bearing? So the bearing is simply the full turn angle, this angle, which is 360 degrees, minus this angle, which is 130, and the answer is 230 degrees. So the bearing of the lighthouse from the ship is equal to 230.